In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create illustrated storyboards with Google Gemini. Whether you're crafting a visual narrative for a project or simply indulging in a creative endeavor, storyboards can be instrumental in visualizing your ideas. Google Gemini is a powerful tool that can help bring your concept to life through beautifully illustrated frames. So let's dive right in and discover how to craft your own illustrated storyboards. First, you'll need to open Google Gemini. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll want to make sure it's up and running on your device. Once you have it open, the next step is to sign in using your Google account. This is crucial as it allows you access to all the features available in Google Gemini. Simply input your credentials and sign in to access the comprehensive suite of creative tools. After logging in, direct your attention to the left sidebar, where you'll find an option labeled Explore Gems. Clicking here will open a world of creative possibilities at your fingertips. Explore Gems is essentially a hub of different creative templates and tools that you can utilize, and it's where you'll find the resources tailored for storyboard creation. Among the options in Explore Gems, you'll want to select Storybook. This is the feature that specifically caters to the creation of storyboards. By choosing Storybook, you dive straight into a tailored environment designed for developing narrative illustrations. Now, it's time to let your creativity flow. Decide on the prompt for your storyboard or storybook. This could be based on a storyline you have in mind, a theme you'd like to explore, or any other creative concept. The prompt essentially serves as the guideline for your project's visual narrative. Once you have settled on a prompt, submit it to Google Gemini. Afterward, it's time to take a small break and wait for Gemini to generate the storyboard pages. The tool will utilize your input to create illustrated pages that reflect your concept and aid you in visual storytelling. When Gemini has finished generating the pages, take some time to review them. Assess each frame, checking how well they align with your initial vision and whether they convey the intended narrative. This step is an excellent opportunity to ensure that everything looks just the way you imagined. After reviewing and once you are satisfied with the results, the final step is to share or export your storyboard. Google Gemini allows you to easily share your creations with collaborators or export them in various formats for use in presentations or print. And there you have it, a seamless process for creating illustrated storyboards using Google Gemini. You're now equipped to turn your creative ideas into visually engaging narratives. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy storytelling!